experiment is chromatography. During lockdown, we don't think our toys have been getting along very well.
We found this note in the toy box.
It says, "I'm going to leave Elsa in the snow." Dun dun dun!
We have 4 suspects. One of them's Ray from Star Wars and Buzz from Toy Story.
Hulk from Avengers and Mickey from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
So as you can see, each of our suspects has a different black pen. And what we need to do is we need to find out which black pen wrote the threatening note to Elsa. And we're going to do that by using an experiment called chromatography.
Today's experiment will need some filtered pens, a glass with some water at the bottom,
Toilet roll or some kitchen roll.
The word chromatograph is just a colour chart. Did you know black ink could be made of several different colours? Using chromatography, we can separate these colours. Scientists can use chromatography to figure out which pen was used to write the note.
So what we've got is we've cut up some of our paper to our kitchen roll, and we're just going to make a dot with the black pen about 2 centimetres up from the bottom. Phoebe's done it slightly the wrong way round, but it doesn't matter. We'd labelled them in pencil, and we're just going to colour in our 2 dots for our 2 suspects, Ray and Buzz. And likewise, we've got another bit of paper, and we're going to take the pen from Hulk and sample it on the bit of paper, and we're going to get the pen from Mickey and do a dot with his pen on our bit of kitchen roll. The important thing is that we make our marks about 2 centimetres up from the bottom of the paper, because what we're going to do is we're going to put this bit of the paper under the water, but we don't actually want our pen marks to go under the water. When we put the bottom of the paper in the water is going to be soaked up into our paper, and then it's going to drag the ink from the pen up our paper towel and make our colour chart. Our 2 chromatographs, one with Buzzy's pen and Ray's pen, and one with Hulk's pen and Mickey's pen. And now what we need to do is take our threatening note, and we've cut it up, and we're going to do it with in 2 separate glasses. So Ben's going to do one and Phoebe's going to do the other. So here we've got our 4 chromatographs. This first one is from the note that Phoebe ran in the water. This last one is also from the note that Ben ran in the water. This was Buzzy's pen, this was Ray's pen, this was Hulk's pen, and this was Mickey's pen. And what we were looking for is one of these 4 pens to match the pen that was used in the note. And I think hopefully you guys can already see that there is a match. If it had been a kind of black trail up the way with maybe a little bit of brown round the outside, then we would have known that it was Buzz. But you can see it's not got a pattern like that at all. Ray's pen actually isn't soluble in water. So it's like a permanent marker. So if we'd just seen the text, the writing, just stay there and not be dragged up by the water, we would have known that it was Ray who wrote the note to Elsa. Hulk's pen has a kind of blue trail with a bit of purple at the top. And you can see that there's not a blue trail with purple at the top. But Mickey's pen has a kind of pink on the inside with a black and turquoise surrounding. And you can see that the note gives us a similar colour chart, that it's a kind of pink colour on the inside with black and turquoise on the outside. And this tells us
it was Mickey who wrote the note to Elsa.
And I think Mickey's going to be punished by being thrown out into the snow. Oh no!